Happy National Day Singapore. Count on me Singapore. Count on
Terus lipat dari hati, terus dekat, kongsi tawa, kongsi minat, tempat kawan tak terlepas.
Selamat datang dan kembali ke Simbang Kerusi Lipat. Hari ini kita bukan berempat, hari ini kita bertiga.
Ya, kita bertiga.
Pasal
Man
dia bilang aku dia dekat, saya tengah sibuk prepare for NDP, National Day Parade.
Serius apa?
Ya, dia sekarang dah jadi ni contingent
Mana?
Contingent for PUB.
Oh.
Okay.
Dia tukang angkat bendera.
Oh, PUB angkat apa?
Ha?
Pipe
Aku bukan tangan Syah.
Yelah apa
Dia jadi
yang
macam contingent lah.
Okay. Yelah pasal yang lain semua ada bawa payung kan. Payung.
Okay, so aku dengan Mi datang pergi combine rehearsal.
Oh ya.
The first ever rehearsal for this NDP lah.
Yes, for
thanks
this
to
year's
Fir,
NDP.
Thanks to
Thank
Fir.
you Fir.
Fir kasih kita tiket, tapi dia terdapat pergi. Asal lah?
Tak dapat pergi. Oh, aku ada event Mi Market.
Oh
ya.
Lagipun aku tak akan pergi Mi.
Asal?
Pasal aku kerja. Aku volunteer.
Oh,
okay.
so kau volunteer macam mana? Apa kau punya role?
Oh, kau terus tak aku.
Boleh lah.
Okay, so this is my third year. Ni tahun yang ketiga aku volunteer NDP. Okay, so for this NDP, I volunteer myself as the incident management team.
Okay.
Okay, basically we will roam around. If there's any issue, macam ada nak crowd control ke, anak budak hilang ke, apa injured people, then we step in lah. But only if there's incident. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, we just hang back.
Okay.
And most of the time kita communicate with the higher ups, those people yang control the whole event. So if there's any issues on the ground, we'll just report to them lah.
Wow.
Okay, saya tanya kau. Ni NDP aku nak tanya.
Interesting.
NDP, every year NDP ni, who is the overall in charge? Mindef ke atau
Ami lah.
Ami lah?
will, I believe is the Ami yang apa. Ami is the one that manage NDP. And different year is run by different divisions. Like for example, one year is armor, your guards or something like that lah. I think so.
Oh, like that lah.
Yeah. So
Oh.
it's every year is different committee.
Oh, kan PA apa ni People's Association.
I mean, we all work together. It's NDP, right? So it's not just army, but
Okay,
everyone
okay.
come together to apa build NDP lah.
Okay.
So kau involve ni NDP kira-kira dia punya combine rehearsal, dia punya NE show semua kan. Kalau kau ada involve dengan dia punya back punya past rehearsal lah, macam
practice
practice lah.
No. So basically, when the moment there's a NDP show, I will report.
Oh,
So okay, so basically, the first combined rehearsal, the NE show, I will just report around 2 to 3 p.m. I will report.
Okay.
Then we'll do a gathering, and then after that we just deploy. We were given instructions, so basic instructions, and then we already know what to do.
Oh.
We already know what to do because for me 3 years. Some guys have been doing 5-6 years. Every year they do.
wow.
Except for those yang first timers, they will attach to the seniors lah. Those people who already done this to go through the whole thing lah. But this is the first time we do dekat stadium. For me, my last two was at the Padang.
Okay.
So when my first one was the command rehearsal lah, which is on the 4th of July, right?
4th, yes.
4th of July. No, mine was 11 July. I didn't go for 4th of July. So 11 July, it was new lah because stadium. First time buat kat stadium kan. So I'm a bit lost lah. Where is my deployment? So where is the rest area? So where's the medical station semua? So I got to do one full round. They bring me inside the stadium down to the locker rooms of the budak-budak. Those soccer players performers. So we get to know the area first lah. And then after that we are deployed.
Is it more difficult or easier compared to first time kau buat kat Padang?
I mean, this time it's all indoor. Okay, it's all sheltered. So
okay.
it's tak panas lah. That time dekat Padang, we were under the hot sun. So panas lah. Then it was very far. To get from one place to another place is very far. Last year dekat Padang, I was stationed at the Funan area for the mobile column. Okay, and sometimes they want to deploy me to the bridge to jaga the buses for the kids.
Okay.
So I had to travel. So it was a bit far. Yeah, but for stadium, this one is not bad lah. It's all nearby. It's indoor.
Okay. And some more lah, stadium macam it's ready. It's got in the infrastructure semua dah ready kan. Kalau Padang semua macam makeshift area ni.
Correct. Yes, that's one thing. I mean, for the Padang, the performers were at Suntec. Some of them were at Suntec. Yeah, they had to travel from Suntec, go underpass, and then go to the show. Show area. Some are in tentage. Yeah, under the tentage, right? So under the hot sun. So it's a challenge lah. But this time everyone is in sheltered air-conditioned rooms.
Nice. So kau dah nampak dia punya command rehearsal lah. Dah tengok semua lah.
I have done 3 already. Up to now I've done 3. And I'm doing the NDP one as well. The actual day I'm doing also.
So what do you think of the performance? I mean, what do you think of the whole show?
Of the show
The show because the thing is I can go in and watch the show. No problem. I can just walk around, even go in, go down and see the performance kan. But most of the time I'm roaming around to make sure that nothing happens lah.
Yalah, kau ada duty apa.
I have a duty lah. I cannot just sit down there and watch the show.
So kau nak tengok show.
So most of the time aku tak tengok the show. Aku just, because sometimes I'm stationed outside the gate lah. Outside the gate. But I can see what's inside. I know the hype about the mascots kan. Aku tak dapat macam tengok. Tak dapat macam tengok.
Sebab dia cute-cute dah.
Maybe I should go and meet up with them lah. Just take gambar close up with them. Aku try.
Wah. Pada time kau punya tempat duduk paling best ya.
Baik kan.
It pays to datang lambat dah.
Tu grandstand je.
Aku datang siang, aku dapat duduk dekat bawah saja.
So time nak masuk busy sah.
Busy
dia
satu.
Dia punya ni staircase.
Tapi what's your perabaan kau bila for this show?
For this show pada pendapat aku okay lah. Dia punya orang kata dia punya parade tu can say okay lah, it's something that we can look forward every year, right? Dia punya parade kan. So the difference is I think the organizer pun nak kena fikir macam mana nak buat dia punya show, dia punya performance. Tak mesti nak buat lain kan, takkan macam nak sama je every year. So I find it nice, and aku punya favourite aku ada chapters kan. Chapter 1, chapter 2.
Biasa lah.
Aku punya favourite yang part yang dia nyanyi lagu Orang Laut. Asnida Daud. Ya. Yang part Asnida Daud dah naik tu platform dia dah start pekik lepas tu terus dia start nyanyi lagu pasal Orang Laut aku find it captivating. Captivating pada aku.
Macam style pada aku dia lagu tu.
Itu dia buat lagu tu. Dia dengan family dia bikin lagu tu. So dia husband dia dengan anak dia.
Wow.
Diorang macam duap all the song, the lyrics semua diorang bikin.
Nice.
Pada
aku ni NDP apa ni is more connected to us as millennials.
Yeah.
Macam pada aku dia tunjuk dia punya 90s punya konsep semua lah. Dan aku tengok macam nak nangis lah.
Alamak.
Macam it brings memories lah ni.
Nostalgia.
Very nice lah. And also dia punya stage wow. They make it into the center part. Then aku tengok dia punya all the contingents, especially the band lah, nak naik to stage tu. Really synchronized, macam really clockwork lah. One small mistake habis je. Boleh terlanggar je. Betul.
Memang kau cakap
ada langgar.
Ada satu lah, but I don't want to say lah. But it's not langgar. They weren't in the right place.
Is it?
So it affected the whole overall.
That's why lah. Satu orang mistake je.
That's why it's a rehearsal.
Yeah, nice.
Tapi memang kau cakap dia punya stage setup semua dah macam concert.
Macam concert.
Really dah macam concert dengan dia punya LED screen ke atas semua. Memang lighting dia memang mungkin betul memang baik lah. That's something untuk siapa yang belum tengok, something to look forward.
Dan there's more lah. I mean we want to talk about more.
Yeah.
For NDP, I think aku nak kena try masuk see the drone show.
Yes, ada drone show.
Oh, yeah.
Ada drone show. I actually
yeah.
went in kan, check is it the drone show? Aku tengok the drones are on the floor. Okay, cool. And then one by one pergi kat drone, keluarkan bateri. Oh, dah habis.
Alamak.
dah habis
Pasal dia punya flight time cannot be lama sangat. That's why. Tapi ni drone show, ada drone show, very cool lah, very cool.
Tapi ni kan parachute masih semua ada kan?
Ada tak? Tak ada kan? Pasal dalam stadium ber?
Stadium is covered. Macam mana nak masuk?
Oh, dah masuk tak?
There's only
macam one way sah ni.
The yellow
tak boleh.
sector, there's only one opening. Tak ada.
Dia tak ada parachute.
Tak ada parachute, tak ada mobile column.
Oh, dalam galam.
Oh.
The fireworks are all outside.
Itulah aku confidence yang that time. Pasal stadium dia tutup. Aku fikir ni macam mana parachuter nak masuk
ni mesti buka ni.
Aku cakap dengan anak aku, nanti sekejap lagi dia buka.
Buka je dah berapa minit je, setengah jam je.
Aku tu
tak boleh dia cannot do any
Cannot. It's dangerous. I mean, the opening kau kena tiup angin sikit, that's it. Tak boleh.
tersangkut.
Babit nak masuk accident kan. Jangan tengok.
Kira kalau yalah pasal like tahun-tahun yang dulu banyak buat dekat mana tu floating platform kan tu open. Tu open, dan kat Padang pun open. Ya.
Ini aku punya sokol apa ni? This dah lama aku tak habis tengok NDP.
Bila last?
The last time dengan korang kan? Kurang kan? Kurang ke? Tak dengar. Tapi aku tahu kita beratur tiket
yang kita beratur tiket kan?
Kat Bedok Camp. Wah,
iyalah betul tu kita pergi lah.
That was before 2000.
So tengah secondary school atau dah lepas
Secondary school
kan?
Itu secondary school
It's still overnight kan?
Ya, itu zaman nak collect tiket kena beratur tu dekat Bedok Camp.
Nak kena beratur and at the same time
Overnight.
So imagine kita semua beratur dari luar masuk dalam
kapak
indoor kan.
Bila indoor tu kapak lah kan.
I think kapak. Then diorang dah letak kerusi, all the PVC chairs. Kita duduk, kita berbual, we don't leave our chairs. Then dah malam, lampu tak on, gelap, dan tidur kat kerusi lah.
Sanggup
sampai pagi.
Itu pasal kita ni yang time youth club kita dekat youth club. Then is it? Then kita kena go and collect.
Is it?
Maybe
Tapi aku tahu satu orang nak kena entitled to only 4 tickets lah.
4 tickets.
So that's why kita pergi as a group lah.
Ya. Sanggup saya sekarang. Sekarang tak ada lagi lah beratur overnight tak ada lah.
Sekarang tiket je sang. Tiket.
I think they went to Marina Square to collect the tickets. But I think we are on trial for digital tickets. Yang korang dapat lah. I give you all digital tickets, right? Just scan QR code. So it was a trial lah. Maybe in the future it's just that.
Aku rasa that's the way to go forward lah. Takkan nak masih susah-susah nak pergi beratur. Leceh.
Sampai dong complain apa because they waited for 2 hours or 3 hours to collect the NDP tickets. I think 2 hours the queue because they had to sign ke apa, right? So that's what takes so long.
Nice. Aku rasa juga kita cakap pasal tadi Asnida Daud punya performance pasal to me one thing is captivating dengan dia punya lagu and dia punya lirik semua dia pakai dialect orang laut. Sebab aku feel this orang laut macam maybe jarang orang kata di discuss lah. Discuss. Mungkin sekarang dah start maybe with all the social media kan, with all the all this diorang dah start banyak buat macam tour guides untuk perkenalkan, untuk belajar tentang orang laut sebab this orang laut is like the native, orang kata the native Singapore, the native Singaporeans indigenous people lah. Macam kita ni orang laut Melayu, the indigenous people of Singapore. So pada aku this is very important lah untuk generasi sekarang untuk belajar and faham. Kalau tak, diorang takkan tahu Diorang takkan tahu Singapore ada indigenous people macam ini Ya.
So far aku tak pernah nampak this kind of performance before that. Ada Ada tak? Ada tak?
Aku tak ada ingat pula. Aku tak boleh recall lah before this. Tu pasal aku find this performance it's very good. Yeah.
Tapi one thing disappointed bila for this NDP aku tak tahu lagu-lagu lama dia tak mainkan. Most of the old songs macam aku punya favourite lagu yang We Are Singing
tak ada.
Ada tu. Aku was expecting that to be the last song. Tak ada.
Oh, okay.
Because that's a song that macam makes us macam semangat kan lagu tu kan.
Itu lagu yang kita ingat lah. Macam growing up Growing up kita dengar lagu-lagu ni macam kira klasik apa.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I don't think they play those old songs.
Aku pun tak ingat lah.
Ada. So lagu tu
Kira,
pada aku that's my top song for this for the NDP lah.
True.
But they never play it.
So diorang sekarang fokus pasal this year je NDP diorang ada 2 lagu.
Ya, siapa yang Iman Fandi kan?
Iman Fandi yang lagu
Giants.
1 dengan Sparkles ada the fast beatnya lagu kira ada dua type
Tapi Iman Fandi punya version that time on the album yang kerasa tu was very macam semangat sah. They make it punya song macam really
Feeling.
feeling and macam apa macam tu.
Macam apa tu kasi semangat
Patriotic semangat lah macam correct. Semangat.
Usually lagu-lagu NDP macam those are the thing diorang try to inject inside the song macam dia punya sense of macam hope the sense of hope, the sense of macam kita we are going we are going to the greater heights macam for everyone that's united as Singapore macam yalah, and also diorang suka inject something nostalgic itu yang macam really buat Singaporean macam click
Also the best part also diorang buat kita buat dia punya wave.
Itu aku yang favourite satu.
Okay.
Aku paksa anak aku
Orang semua buat satu, dia buat 2 kali Ada 3 kali saya buat.
That's the thing. When I was on duty kan, I receive all these WhatsApp messages kan, pasal kita communicate. One of my guys cakap, help. Saying, kenapa ni? The Kallang Wave is not stopping. So kita ketawa lah. Why? It's just keep on moving. Nobody want to stop it.
Saya kacau.
Finally Kallang Wave finally. Before that was the Padang. Floating platform. Finally the stadium got back the Kallang Wave lah.
Yalah.
It's very nice also.
Itu yang apa unite the Singaporean lah. Pasal kita ingat time tengok bola apa.
Betul juga
Ya. So maybe tak cakap pasal NDP song lagu-lagu korang ada tak favourite song ke?
Tadi yang
mana?
We Are Singapore.
Itu yang baru-barunya tak ada.
Ada aku pula. Anak aku tengah suka lagu yang apa ni? Here we are.
Oh tu last year punya.
Rasanya.
Tu last year punya.
Every night before nak tidur, ayah I want Here We Are song. Hafaz lagu tu.
Yeah, that was last year punya NDP song.
Kau lagu apa?
Ada favourite? Aku yalah, of course lagu klasik tu semua memang kita grow up dengar, memang itu paling best lah kan. Count on Me Singapore. Then
One people,
one nation, one Singapore.
Aku ada satu lagu, but I don't. Is it Stephanie Sun?
Okay, which one?
Home.
Itu
This is home.
Correct.
Tu Kit Chan.
Oh sorry, Kit Chan. The lyrics actually is really fitting for Singapore. Seriously.
Lagu tu pun best juga.
Actually lagu tu dah jadi macam klasik. Saya orang akan ingat lagu tu.
So Combined Result tak ada lagu tu?
Ada.
Alamak.
Ada lah. Ada.
Which part?
Kau tidur ke?
Ada pasal
aku memang rasa dengan dia punya lighting.
Ada satu part diorang buat medley. Ada. Diorang buat medley song.
Sikit lah.
Ada sikit-sikit lah.
Not full song lah.
Tak. Ada medley. Lagu Home mesti diorang taruhnya. Pasal lagu tu yang klik among Singaporeans.
Keluarkan lagu, lagu semua keluar lah.
Ada. Aku ada ingat ada medley.
Okay.
Lagu lama pun ada lah, tapi sikit-sikit lah.
That's why aku nak macam nak main lagu full.
Ya, faham.
So people can know, this is the song lagu Singapore. This is the 90s 80s lagu.
Ya.
Malah segar kan nak cakap.
Actually lagu tu, lagu Home memang dah consider klasik ah. Actually yang like few years back one ada lagu juga tak yang aku find it nice ah. Apa tu yang Benjamin King nyanyi lagu Not Alone
Not Alone
Not Alone. Pada aku lagu tu pun not bad. Mula-mula bila first time dengar macam not really lah, tapi I think the grow on you lah lagu dia. Dengar okay. Nice. Okay, korang ingat lagi tak ada satu lagu Rare, NDP punya lagu Rare perform by Electrico.
Ui,
ingat tak? Electrico pernah perform tau lagu NDP.
Apa
tahun
kau nyanyi sikit.
Tahun bila 2009 if I'm not wrong. Alamak, dia punya lagu dia pasal diorang macam dah tak main lah lagu dia. Nama lagu dia What Do You See? What do you see? nak kena tengok balik lah. Korang
What do you see macam lagu Justin Bieber.
What do you see? Nak kena tengok balik lah lagu dia time tu. Pasal during that time kan kita masih kuat. Kita tengah kuat band in the indie scene kan. Electrico like was one of the like biggest bands in Singapore. And also during that time aku suka tengok keyboardist dia.
Apa keyboardist dia? Mana? Satu je aku suka lah.
Keyboardist dia, tapi sekarang dah tak lagi lah. Electrico masih ni tau, masih aktif tau. Masih aktif satu band.
Bukan dia executed. Kelim.
Yeah, so can check it out lah.
Okay. Kau ingat tak datang every year kan ni there must be like one person or one character in the audience kan. Mesti ada orang macam satu budak tu pergi maki. Pergi maki tu bila finger.
Satu ada dua NDP, satu dua budak tunjuk tu. Tapi yang paling favourite yang that kid lah, dia stare kat kamera.
Apa kena apa jadi dengan budak tu? Kena ni
tak apalah.
Cikgu dia ada gambar. Aku nampak satu gambar dia. The cikgu put aside. Diri situ. Dia cikgu macam dah. I think so lah. That one the cikgu.
Habis abang nyanyi lagu Majalah Singapura nangis.
Oh ya.
Dia really feel dia punya dia punya tu lah anthem dia Tahun ni apa aku tahu
dia mesti ada momen-momen dia.
Mesti cameraman do your job.
Dan floating platform yang parachute dia salah landing tu.
Mana? Dia salah mana?
Aku tak tahu ni yang floating platform dia salah land on the side.
Oh ya. Alamak. Salah. Satu sakit satu.
Dia injured kan?
I think he fracture.
Itulah.
Boleh ke tak don't make this parachute anymore lah.
Apa?
Dangerous this parachute thing.
Tapi itu yang
the parachute itself is really dangerous. So but it's all the risk taking lah. I mean like they mitigate all the risk and then the wind, it was sudden gust of wind.
So basically kalau macam on the day NDP kan, dia punya weather tak bagus, boleh cancel lah.
Yalah, pernah apa?
Cancel
pernah okay. Kalau weather not good, orang tak buat. Ya.
But have you heard the rumours yang cakap kenapa macam kalau NDP ke apa tak pernah hujan lebat?
Okay, ini aku dengar.
Oh ya, aku tahu betul.
Aku dengar banyak kali. Betul
I mean there are rumours yang
kita tak boleh percaya ni benda semua lah kan. Tapi tengok
one of it is cloud seeding lah, make sure hujan before that or something. Then the other one is aku dapat banyak gambar all this orang tanam bawang dengan cili bawang cili
tanam mana?
Tak tahu lah, orang letak kat one corner lah. I go around and my guys were like ada orang tanam.
Yang aku dengar lain.
Apa kau dengar? Apa kau dengar? Tanam muda?
Apa sah? Don tanam suara lam.
Suara apa? Siapa yang suara lam? Dah pakai belum?
Tu tak boleh cakap lah.
Kau punya kerja ni?
Don tanam ke gantung
Gantung suara lam. Gantung dah nampak saya ni.
Aku tak pernah come across that.
Tak adalah non sunyi-sunyi. Tak lah ini.
That one is considered an incident. We will report it,
Tapi bagus jugalah kalau macam dia punya NDP on the 9th of August. Dia punya weather pun okay juga. Kalau imagine kalau during January ke February monsoon season
every year
atau apa in June tengah summer.
I think that means every year we do indoor.
Yeah.
We do indoor
for over 60 years lah.
Masa.
So just nice 9 August.
Okay, kau dah buat ni DP dah berapa tahun?
I mean 3
3
tahun. 3 tahun. Ya.
Kau pernah macam encounter any incident yang pelik tak?
Ada.
Apa?
Ada. One of it sampai orang tu biru.
Isulah.
Jadi biru lah.
Biru. Full
Totally biru.
Totally biru.
Serius lah.
Okay, aku ceritakan.
Ni apa, spectator ke performer ke apa?
So not spectator, not performer.
Oh.
Okay. This is last year. If not last year, it's the year before. Okay. Funan. I was watching the mobile column. Tengah make sure the crowd doesn't spill over tu semua. Okay. Then aku tengah scan. Aku scan ke kanan. You know dekat the shelter walkway tu, ada 3 orang dressed in full avatar.
Okay.
Full avatar dengan dia punya makeup, everything, tarik luggage. Aku tengah stay
Oh, itu yang biru.
tu biru. Sekejap, aku letak gambar dia kat sini Okay, this one. Okay. So aku nampak tu, aku like, apa kejadah ni? Ni performer ke? Takkan ada avatar kan? Tak boleh. Then this girl went up to my face. I need your help. Only you can help me. Okay, yes ma'am, how can I help you? Basically, diorang daripada Suntec, they went to make up. Okay, they dress up to make up kat Suntec.
Padang Santai.
Okay. And then they want to go to Raffles. Is it cricket club? Not cricket club. I think Raffles punya ada club.
Okay. Surround there what?
Kat Padang.
Dekat Padang. But we block that road because of mobile column.
Okay.
So the road will be closed until 7. So they just missed that window. Okay, to cross. So the soldier there said, go try the other side. So orang jalan. Oh, cannot. Please go try the other side. Cannot. Go try the sampai
dengan full makeup.
dengan full makeup tu semua. So then they come approach me. I was like, okay. Actually we close until 7. There's no way to enter. But let me help you. So aku bawa. Aku cakap, come follow me lah. That's why tengah jalan tu, we take selfie first. So gambar ni keluar. So aku jalan. Okay lah, I want to bring them. I want to help them lah. Tengah halfway tu jalan tu, don't I look funny? I mean this guy soldier uniform bawa 3 avatar gitu.
Macam movie himself.
Macam movie like, okay.
So
Then jalan, alamak, nak kena go underpass, pergi kat MRT, semua stare.
semua dah tengok.
Then pergi kat Citylink Raffles City. Then aku tell the guy that, once the road open, let them through lah. So they were there, terus jadi macam attraction lah. Orang semua ambil gambar dengan orang. Diorang okay, happy. That was a funny incident lah.
Okay. Aku rasa diorang are doing like a promo for the movie tak?
Oh no. They are going for dinner and dance.
I see.
Dinner and dance on the night on the NDP itself.
One of the
rehearsal lah.
rehearsal.
Dinner and dance. Okay, dia punya team dia ni
The
lah.
team is movies
Team
lah. So
movies
they
lah.
really dressed up.
Oh really cool.
Peluh so
I asked them, you okay or not? Wait another 1 hour. No problem. Tapi here's another funny thing. Diorang 3 kat situ kan. Lepas tu the girl yang tadi berbual aku cakap, I know that girl. She's one of the person who work with me lah. So this one tak dress up lah. Dia tu, you want me to call her? Can. So I go to this lady. Hi ma'am, I think that one your friend, she want to talk to you. The lady pusing tengok, no, that's not my friend.
shock sir.
Dia shock. Nampak pasal biru. Okay, you look closer. Look closely. Hi. Tu biru dia tu. Kelakar sih that one. Kelakar.
Itu pun mungkin kawan dia yang nak pergi
DND juga. She also cannot go through. Dia lambat.
Alamak.
Tapi why they park Suntec jauh jalan?
That's the funny thing. I mean, they do the makeup dekat Suntec because they went to the studio or something like to do their makeup.
Okay.
But
Was
why would they do
Sanggup saya jalan dengan makeup begini.
Yeah, but why do they do the dinner and dance during National Day rehearsals? You know the road
They
is
don't
blocked.
know lah. They don't know what.
No, they've been informed.
Informed.
Before that, we already informed that the road will be closed from this timing to this timing.
So the event itself, is it the same timing as the...
Yes, correct.
So kecoh dalam dengan luar.
Yeah. So I think after the dinner dance, they're expecting the fireworks.
Oh,
Okay,
kill two birds with one stone lah, kira kan.
Macam kau cakap lah, okay, diorang miss that road closure-nya opening, punya timing. Jadi diorang dah tak boleh tembus.
I think they make use of the fireworks punya timing.
That was one incident. Yang recent one for this year, incident aku banyak jalan gitu.
Yang dapat this year.
This year punya dekat stadium.
Okay,
Because
okay.
one thing about the tickets now, these years and tickets kan, dia punya green zone, blue zone, yellow zone is just one small little rectangle. Last few years is the whole thing is
The whole
purple,
thing,
the whole thing is
yeah.
red, so we know. So a lot of time these people they enter, they get lost.
Okay.
So I had to bring one old lady up to the blue zone. That means the blue sector, naik tangga, bawa dia pergi. Okay, here. Then just nice, these two makcik datang. My one is red sector. Red sector is literally the other side of the stadium.
Wow.
Aku nak try bawa pergi shortcut. But then red sector, there's no shortcuts. So, okay, ma'am, come follow me. Aku bawa dia satu round ke sana.
Oh,
Dan dah
jauh.
sampai sana, got another issue. So, then aku bawa dia balik.
Okay, yeah.
So, lucky for this one, aku just banyak jalan gitu.
Yeah. Maybe need more signage or wayfinding punya signage.
Like I
Maybe,
said,
yeah.
this is the first NDP dekat stadium. Yang paling kecoh is actually 4th July yang korang pergi. It was the first
Tu
time.
the first apa.
So the reports were like, oh, not enough signage, people lost, don't know where to go.
Yes.
Semua. So because it's the first time, so cannot fault
Yeah,
them lah.
correct,
This is the
correct,
first
correct.
time. There's a lot
They
of issues yang
improve
kita
on it.
tak dapat. We cannot see. There's
True,
a lot of hindsight.
Sebab aku
Oversight,
kasih
sorry.
sebab aku kasih feedback juga. Pasal
kau feedback tu?
time kita dah masuk dah check back. Sebab tu nanti macam ada this team diorang akan tanya lah, okay, what do you think, ada apa benda yang boleh improve. Boleh improve. Terus aku cakap pasal aku sendiri ada difficulty nak cari aku punya sektor mana. So I feel that yalah, maybe kalau ada more signages, more arrow ways finding punya signages will help lah. Yeah. So yeah.
So yeah, we improve, or we are going to improve on that lah. I mean, sometimes the signage yellow sector kan point to the right hand side, but the right side is actually blue sector. So a lot of issues lah.
That time pun aku masuk dekat mana dia punya arrow pada blue sector kan. Tak dapat mana cari. I have to find the gate numbers to do that.
Aku dah lama nak tanya lah ni question. This yang performance ni semua dorang get paid tak?
Ada lah,
volunteers.
Volunteers lah. Ada sekolah apa, ada sekolah.
Okay. Remember the 11th of July yang kau tak pergi, aku pergi kan? I was there during duty. My wife and kids went because I got them tickets. My mother-in-law is in the contingent. So she's under the Good Hood. Good Hood yang kali hijau.
Good Hood.
Good Hood. I think it's Good Hood.
Okay.
So she's in the contingent. I mean, every Saturday for 3 months, I think. They rehearse for 3 months.
Kat Indo Stadium lah.
3 months prior
Apa Indo Stadium? Dekat the stadium lah. Practice and rehearsal lah.
Usually the practice rehearsal will start like 3 months prior to.
I believe so lah. Cannot be just 1 month, but it's every weekend.
So apa May, June, July, around May
Yeah, they will start there.
Okay, ni talking about NDP kan, and talking about apa tu orang kata Singapore lah maybe okay lah, maybe aku ada kongsi sikit. Kalau korang don't mind, aku nak kongsi sikit this a piece of history lah. Okay, a piece of history in Singapore. Ni cerita pasal, korang pernah dengar tak pasal Hassan Brothers?
So the question is, how is this related to NDP?
Alamak.